turned off on me. Well, it's very early in the morning here. I got 4:30 in the morning. Me and Marmar are headed to a mahi fishing tournament. So we're gonna go out here and see if we can catch some fish this morning. Try to win the tournament. There's a female division, there's a junior division, so hopefully Marley, wherever she's at, there she is able to get in that and win it. So we're gonna go down here and see if we can try. So we're on our way, and when it gets a little bit more light out, we'll show y'all what's going on. But we're gonna go right now and try to go on a mission for bait, and hopefully we can get some bait, because that's what it takes to win. So wish us luck. We'll see y'all out there. All right, here we are. Here's the boat we're fishing on today. There's Marley on the bow, putting a little ice into the ice boxes, fish boxes, and we're all keep all the drinks and all that stuff going. Let's get in here and see. We got all our drinks there. Got twin 300 Yamis, all the rods, TLDs, spinners, pins, all that good stuff. We're ready to rock and roll. We're gonna win this tournament today, baby. So here, open that up. Let's see. Hang on. Say what's up to the captain here, Lewis.
Brother. Everybody's a captain here today.
Yeah, that's right. We're all captains. Here we got Capitana.
She's the captain. She's the boss. So,
should I bring this back over? Is there enough, you think?
Yeah, no, but we get up.
There's the view from the boat. What a beautiful view, man. The city down there. All our glory. 305, boy. We're getting ready to shove off here in a minute. See if we can win this thing. We got a line over here. One of my partners at work. I already showed y'all Captain Lewis. Let's go up here and see if Marley's still awake. Marley's still awake. This is our crew. We got a 4-man crew, 3-man and 1-woman crew. All right, we'll see y'all out on the weed line. him over here. Let him go, let him go, let him go, let him go. Make sure you always hold on to that rod. You don't want to drop the damn rod in the water. Reel up, reel him up, reel him up.
Yep. He's in a pain. Yeah, you're not slick.
Alright. Fine, here, keep him in. Don't reel him all the way up. No, let the line out here. No! Hold the rod. Don't let it go of the rod, Marley.
Oh my God.
That one's probably short, huh? Make sure he's... Alright, bring him... Reel up. Pull him up. Alright, bring him over here. Come on, no, just lay him down. Lay him down. There you go.
Calm down, bro.
There you go. Alright.
Hey, got one.
Sorry, bro. Alright, just push this out where I don't get hooked. Just lay it out there.
You do it here from the tip of the thing?
Yeah, to 20.
Is it 20?
Yeah, he's under. Throw him back. Alright, y'all. Here we are, a little mid-morning update. It's about, what, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, right? 9:16. We got 5 fish in the boat. We got a little dolphin action. We right outside of Bimini.
We got local time here, 8:17.
Crazy.
Local time right now here.
Alright, y'all, a little update on the fishing tournament. We came in and we did the weigh-in here at PBA for the Police Benevolent Association fishing tournament. And so far, this woman standing right next to me, my daughter Marley, is winning. She's in first place for the dolphin category and the female category. So we hope that that stays and we hope that we can get it. That'll be $2 grand. So we're stoked. Yeah, in Marley's name. So we'll see how it goes and I'll let you guys know how it goes. But we'll get back to y'all. That's what we got going right now. Wish us luck. PBA, baby. Snooky J Outdoors. That's how we do it. We out here catching fish, killing hogs, all that stuff. So that's how we do it. See y'all in a bit. We'll let you know how it turns out. See ya.
Where you at? Stem and stall. Where you at? David Greenwell is about to announce who the winners are. Fish. Make sure there was nothing inside of them. No lead inside the fish.
Got the Hialeah special. Hialeah special.
David, I'm going to hand you the microphone. I have a gentleman coming up right now, and he's telling me that he works for the local fish market, that the archers actually went and bought their fish. Just kidding.
They look pretty good.
David, over here. David, over here.
All right. We're going to start with the junior division. Martinez.
Marley, that's
Where we
you.
at? Marley.
Right there.
Oh my God, cool. Oh, that's you.
That's Martinez, baby. That's Martinez.
Stedman, you there?
When we lived in Georgia, they pronounced it Martinez.
All right. Now that should be $100.
Yeah, baby. Way to go, Mar.
Hold on.
Buy some sweets. Hold on, you ready?
Yep.
quick picture. Come on, lift your ankles. Hold that money. Hold that money. Alex, in there? I got
Marmar! Yeah! There you go, girl.
2, 3.
Make it rain, make it rain.
Yeah, that's right. I like it.
Oh, Mike, would you mind handing me the trophy?
Yes, Marley, get that trophy.
First place junior.
That's right. First place. Hey, we're bringing it back to the chief talk. We're bringing it back to the chief.
Second place junior division from the Doral boat, EJ Lopez. Where is junior? Okay, cool. Well, congratulations to Chief Eddie Lopez's son. Cool. For first place, the son.
Nice, Marmar. Hang on. You better get your ass back over there. You got Marley. Crying, winning. I love it. Tears of joy right there. Tears of joy, boy. Look at that. Show me that trophy. What? All right, hang on. Stay right there. I'm going to take a... I'm going to finish this video up. We done with the tournament. Tournament cut where the cruise ship channel is. This is my daughter Marley, who won the trophy that we've already showed you. She's doing... We're so proud of her. Look at me, Marmar. I couldn't have done it without my crew over here. Captain Lewis, my boy Align. We made it happen. We did good. So we're gonna close this day out. What a great day it's been. And let me tell you, man, Marley was crying tears of joy, and that right there made my day. I'm telling you, it made my day. So I can't thank you enough, Lewis. Seriously, brother. Thank you so much, bro.
Thank you guys
And
for the company.
that's it, man. We're gonna sign out. Another fishing tournament in the books. PBA, Police Benevolent Association tournament. We got it, man. We did it. So we out. Later.